Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we have this platform called GanntPRO, and this is the best Gantt chart maker for project management. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself exclusive benefits and rewards, as well extended free trial onto this platform. You can see we have various features to create a Gantt chart. We have our task names, so this is basically the main timeline where it is going to be appearing all of our information. So you can see you have this really interactive type of design that you can create to connect various tasks. So in order to simply add your task, once your task is added in here, you can see the task name, status, assigned. If it is unassigned, you can also assign it to people. Currently only I am added, so if you want to add more people, click on this add more people option, click on invite users, and then you are going to be either choosing from the team or invite by the email. Enter in here the emails that you want to invite, then assign the project rights. We have currently 44 users left, but that totally depends on the type of plan that you are using. You have your various rights as well. Let's just head back. You can see your portfolios. So if you want to create a high level picture of your project with portfolio, you can do that using this, and it will be displayed something like this. So it's a really amazing thing in my opinion. You can see currently the project is currently created, that I created as a sample. You can see its status, progress, and much more details as well. So similarly, your tasks here are going to be populated, your tasks. You can also create new. You have your my time log and reports, in-depth review of everything that you are going to be doing, workload, and communication hub. So all of these features are offered by GanntPRO. Make sure to give it a try. If you are unsure about the platform, you can see through the reviews. So really amazing reviews are being left. All of them are 5 stars mostly. So yeah, you can head over to the link in the description to simply get yourself extended free trial, as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.